back to our business analytics series. Myself, Gokul. I'm working as an assistant professor in the Department of Master of Business Administration, Sri Muthukumar and Institute of Technology. And this is part 2 of Unit 2 Data and Resource Management Analytics. In the previous part, we focused on the people, PA personnel. Now we turn to the core resource of analytics, data itself. Today, we will cover types of data, primary and secondary resources, data collection methods, data quality and privacy issues, BA technology, the tools and systems that make analytics possible. Let's start with the fundamental classification of data. Data can be broadly classified into two types based on its source. Number one, primary source of data, which means collected first hand by the researchers. Second, secondary source of data, already collected by someone else. But both have their place in analytics and understanding the difference improves. Then primary source of data. Primary data is information collected directly from original sources for a specific purpose. It's first-hand information gathered by the investigator. Here are the key elements I have provided. It was collected for the first time, was original and more reliable. Examples, population census conducted by the government surveys you conduct use. Private data gives you control over what's collected and how, but it requires effort to gather. Then primary data can be collected through various methods. Quantitative data collection method, qualitative data collection method. Quantitative methods surveys, which means structured questionnaire to many respondents. Then experimentation, controlled test to measure outcomes. Then mechanical devices, sensors, counters, tracking tools. Then qualitative methods, interviews, personal or telephonic in-depth conversation. Then observation, watching video in natural settings. And third, projective methods, uncovering hidden motivations. Other methods are warranty cards, auditing, simulation. Each method serves different research objectives. Then significance and limitation of primary data. Significance, first point, reliability. You know exactly how it was collected. Then variety of technique means flexibility in approach. Then third, wide coverage can include special cases. Then fourth, complete control over process and quality. Then fifth, cost effective collection for specific needs. Sixth, sole ownership, exclusive insights. Then limitations. Costly affair can be expensive, time consuming. It takes longer time to collect. Then third, infeasible. Sometimes it was impractical at scale. Then fourth, huge quantity of data, which can be overwhelming to do some analysis or to maintain the data like then unwillingness to answer. Some respondents are not willing to the many questions, which means they are not willing to answer the many questions given by the researchers. So it will be considered as a respondent's fatigue. These trade-offs explain why secondary data is often used. Then secondary source of data. Secondary data has already been collected by someone else and is available for researchers to use. These are the sources includes in the secondary data, sales analysis, invoice analysis, financial data, transportation and storage data, libraries and literature, periodical, census, registration data, trade association, commercial research institution, international organization. Secondary data is quick and inexpensive to access, but you have no control over its quality or how it was collected. Why means the secondary data was already collected data and someone have done the research by using the data. We don't know that was real or we are just using the data and we are doing some analysis. So the test may be false or true. It depends upon the worth of the data, which means the reliable of the data. We can't be able to say as this is perfect data. Like then data issues. Working with data brings challenges. Data quality. Data should serve its intended purpose for accurately representing reality, measuring what it's supposed to measure, be timely, having completeness. Poor quality data leads to bad decisions and undermines analytics credibility. Then data privacy. It, because protecting shared data so only authorized users can access it. Data leaks can damage brand image, customer trust, lead to legal consequences. Organizations to balance data utility with privacy protection. Then be a technology. Analytics relies on several layers of technology. For one, computer hardware like server, computer storage devices. Then computer software, analytics tools, applications. Then third, networking and telecommunication technology, which includes internet, externet, both data management technology, the tools that store, organize, and analyze data. The tools are as follows. Number one, DBMS database management system, then data warehouse, the OLAP, OLAP online analytical processing, then data mining, text mining, web mining, SES analytics, Microsoft Excel, IBM Business. These technologies form the infrastructure of modern analytics. A database management system is a software that permits firm to centralize data, manage it efficiently, and provide access to store data. The key components are as follows: data defining language, DDL. It creates database tables and defines field characteristics, then data dictionary, an automated or manual file storing metadata, size, description, format, and other properties of data. And third, database encyclopedia, a table of content listing a firm's current data, inventory, and what data fields can be built or purchased. Then DFM, data manipulation language, tools used to search database for specific information. Then finally SQL, structured query language, It is the most common example allowing users to find specific data through queries. DBMS is the backbone of used database management. That concludes part two of unit two. We have covered data types, collection method, data issues, and the technology that supports analytics. In part three, we will explore data mining methodology and how analytics is organized within companies. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next part. Thank you.